Okay, we are almost in the end of the year. Okay, there are so many things happened in 2014 with regards to AJSD, Salesforce, and in our personal life too. Just to celebrate the 2024, we are going to cherish and we are going to celebrate and we are going to give a grand send off to 2024. I'm going to play a song. Okay, and the song enna panna poringana, you are going to sing along with me. Get ready with the lyrics and you are all going to sing along with us. I'm going to give you this paper for each one. இப்போதைக்கு கையில் வச்சுக்கங்க எப்படி. For example, இதில் வந்து 0லேருந்து we got 9 வரைக்கும் we got a number. Suppose if I say 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1 அப்படின்னா you have to arrange in a way. So which team get arranged in a very limited time அப்படிங்கிறது தான் game. Clear? Okay. So here you go. இந்தாங்க 1 5130492867. நம்பர் எப்படி படிப்போம்? நான் எப்படி எழுதிருக்கேன்? 5 We like to call the people one by one from AJSD Associate, the team members who have been with us and supporting AJSD back-end activities, front-end activities, all activities. Mr. Nityanand. Welcome to AJSD.
Thank you.
He has been supporting us as an intern with Vignesh. And today we are confirming Nityanand as part of AJSD. Welcome to AJSD. Mr. Vignesh Rao. He's been part of AJSD for the last 9 months and supporting us. The moment he come into AJSD, if you look at our contents, right, the video or poster, it is actually upgraded. Thank you so much for all the effort you have put in the last one. Thank you. Miss Preeti. Welcome to AJSD. Most of the people over here are aware that Preeti joined in AJSD as a trainee who wants to learn Salesforce. But the agreement between us is, okay, you come and learn Salesforce here, but at the same time, morning, first off, you have to learn Salesforce. The rest of the time, you have to support us for the back-end activities. And the agreement is, yes, we'll be supporting you for the studies. Right from the day one, even till today, not even a single escalation about her, about the work she has been doing. In fact, escalations, she is giving her more than 100%, and especially that helped us during some critical times. Last Diwali, due to the flood and other aspects, the whole team was unavailable. AJSD support team was not at all available. So it was Preeti along with other associates who stood there and helped us in resolving many tickets and other activities. Thank you so much for helping AJSD during the hard times. Anything? One who got joined AJSD very recently, right from the day one, even though அவங்களோட பங்களிப்பு வந்து it is very short span in the last 3 to 4 months, but the impact he has made in AJSD, especially at the back-end activities and streamlining the activities and looking into the future perspective, we would like to invite Mr. Suresh. Congratulations, bro. Thank you. Suresh வந்து last 3 months தான் AJSD இருக்காங்க, but even though in the last 3 monthsல அவங்க பண்ண impact, especially in the back-end streamlining the operations. You take any business, sale will happen, product is good, marketing will happen, but in order to keep that momentum within the business, the operations is really very important. This one goes to the, once again, a newly added member in AJSD family, part of the CC team, Mr. Harish to AJSD. We like to welcome Mr. Vignesh. He is serving in notice, but in the last 2 years, whatever the contribution you have given to AJSD is tremendous. We are really happy with your support. Thank you so much. Congratulations. So, special thing about Vignesh, just like Preeti, she is supporting us for the back-end activities. Vignesh also supporting us from the morning 9 to 6, he will be learning Salesforce. Between 6 and 8, he will come up and support us in other back-end activities, especially calling the people and checking with their updates. Are they really studying? Are they found any issues? In case if they go through some issues with contents or the sessions, or even they require some career counseling, he make a note of us and keep us posted. That is actually helping us to touch base with most of the people in AJSD. Thank you so much for doing this, Vignesh. This year, 2024, Santosh has been promoted as a cluster head of, one of the cluster head of AJSD. Swati is being part of her finance team, as well as now, in this year, 2024, she got additional responsibility of taking care of the RM activities, relationship and management activities. Congratulations. But someone who is completely don't have idea about laptop and computer, now he is handling the softwares like Click, CRM and other things. Your growth is actually tremendous in the last year, 2024. All the very best for the 2025. After 6 months, they have been contributing really well to you, like whatever the activities we are talking about. It's just a token of appreciation to the team members of Brainstorm. Do more of what makes you happy.
The more you understand yourself, it is easy to love and understand others. Through the eyes of gratitude, everything is a miracle.
A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles.
Today, just focus on being a little better than yesterday.
Prayer is the most important conversation of your day. Take it to God before you take it to anyone else.
Self-acceptance is the foundation of all other forms of acceptance.
We have just taken the notebook. In fact, you picked the notebook by yourself and you got this. Please believe me or not, what you got in this notebook, it is something really you deserve this or you longing for. Or at this moment of your life, which is much needed for you. But whatever you got today, this is actually, it is for you, just to tell and to remind yourself about what you have to do or what you need to focus on this. You think, I want to say a heartfelt thanks at this moment because I'm in the end of this year. I want to take this moment and say a heartfelt thanks to them. This notebook to tell and remind you whether you really got a good understanding about Salesforce, whether you are going to get the super duper fancy number of salary by learning Salesforce in AJSD or not. The primer is all about how you are grooming yourself as an individual the moment you stepped into AJ. Take this as a first step towards your actual self-grooming. You can call this notebook as a journal. Do journaling every single time. Use this notebook to just declutter your mind, to refresh your mind, to create a positive thing in your mind.
if you are interested to learn Salesforce, visit AJ Skill Development website. There you can find our course curriculum and you can come to know about the list of courses we are offering. We are offering Salesforce Administrator and Salesforce Development courses. To know about us and the team, you can visit our About Us section. This is an organization we are doing Salesforce training from 2018, and we have trained and guided 2000 plus candidates so far. And if you also want to know about our placement assistants, visit our placement assistance section where you can find the list of people and the category. You can see the list of people who got trained and placed from our side. You can also visit their LinkedIn pages to get to know about our training and also the feedback from the relevant trainees. Okay. And also, if you want to do the course inquiry, click on contact us. You will see the form. You can fill the form and submit the inquiry. Our team will get back to us. Thank you.